Okay, I've just gone out the day after the other thing broke. Okay, so this is the fourth fin that this is broken on. So these are clearly crap. In fact, I trust them so little, I brought a spare one because I just thought this will break, and here we go, it's broken. So there you go. So can you please do something about this? Sports Bay Sports, because this is insane. So just to be clear, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth fail on these things, and it's not like I've been using them for very long. Okay, so also the rudder's not working, and I tightened that not that long ago, and look at that pokey little Phillips head you've got there.